Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well. On this video here I'm going to show you how to withdraw your MTV coins from Kucoin to your MetaMask wallet in order to stake your coins. Okay, so in the last video I showed you how to transfer from main account to trading account so you can trade and buy the MTV coins. Okay, now to withdraw we need to transfer what we have in trading account, which is MTV, to the main account so we can withdraw. So just click on transfer and let's choose trading account to main account, then MTV, and click on the amount and confirm. Here it is. So let's withdraw now. Select the coin, which is MTV, and now here we are. So there is a tip here that says you should not withdraw directly from here to any ICO or crowdfunding, which is like withdrawing to the staking pool. Okay, so you need to withdraw from here to MetaMask, then from MetaMask to the staking pool. All right, so before getting to copy the wallet address, we need to see the networks that are available. Unfortunately, there isn't MultiVAC listed in here, which would be better for low fees. There is only Binance Smart Chain and Ethereum, and we all know how Ethereum is. And let's just see the lowest fees in here. As you can see, it's 500 MTV. Personally, I want to stake, but when I see 500 as fees to just withdraw from here to MetaMask, I cannot do it. All right, so let's just check how much is 500. It's $11. So if it was MultiVAC network in here, it would be way lower than this. Okay, so unfortunately you have to choose this or Ethereum, which is high gas fees, 2000, which equals to $44. And yeah, so it depends on you, whatever network that you want to use, and you need to have some of these coins on your wallet. Okay, if you want to use the Ethereum network, it means that on your MetaMask wallet you need to have some Ethereum. Why? So when you get to withdraw and send your MTVs from your MetaMask wallet to the staking pool, you need to pay the gas fees. And if you are using Ethereum network, you need to pay using Ethereum. All right, and if you are using Binance Smart Chain, you need to pay using BNB. All right, and for some people that they only got Ethereum in here, you need to just go to here and you'll see Binance Smart Chain. If you just made your wallet and you don't have Binance Smart Chain, just go to my channel. You'll find a video about how to add Binance Smart Chain network to your MetaMask wallet. It will take 1 minute, super easy to do, and then click on it. And here we are. We can see BNB, and we need to add MTV token to this network here of Binance Smart Chain. So we need to go to coinmarketcap.com, all right, and go to search and type in MTV, click on it. It will take you to this page here. Then go to contracts, and here it depends on you. If you choose to use Ethereum network, you can just click on this and it will be added to the Ethereum network. For people that want to use Binance Smart Chain because it has lower fees, click on more, and you can see Binance Smart Chain contract in here, and click on add to MetaMask, and here it is. Click add token, and here it is in here. Okay, so now let's head back to here. Let's copy the address, which will be this one here. Copy. All right, make sure that you are in the Binance Smart Chain. All right, don't copy the Ethereum one here and paste it in here. Okay, if you are going to use the Ethereum network, okay, you can do that and paste the Ethereum one. All right, but if you want to use Binance Smart Chain network, which is this one, you need to go and get you Binance Smart Chain, because if you didn't do this, you will lose your MTVs. Okay, so paste it in here. So here is a notice. It says that you should be sure that you are using Binance Smart Chain network, which is this one. Okay, and we copied the address, and this is it. All right, and then click max and click confirm. and it will start the process of sending you and withdrawing your MTV from Kucoin to your MetaMask wallet. It will take some minutes and then it will appear in your MetaMask wallet in here. Alright, unfortunately I want to go through with it because 500 for me it's a bit much to spend. I want to stake, but I think I will just hold, and yeah, that's it. So in the next video I will show you how to stake and unstake and some more information about staking with MTV. And this is the video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this, and thank you for watching.